Hey, my name is Beckham, and I just got these rockets from Estes, and I love rockets. And today I'm going to show you how rockets work and how they're so cool, and that's why I love rockets. To launch a rocket, you need the rocket itself, an engine to actually launch it in the air, because how are you going to get anywhere? You need a recovery system or something to recover the rocket, or you can let it burn up in Earth's atmosphere. You need a fins for aerodynamic and a mission control to ignite the rocket. Let's go geek out! Most rockets work with Newton's third law. Every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Oh yeah. Engine armed. T-minus 30, 29, 28. Just kidding. 3, 2.
Don't do it again.
1. Launch.
You guys didn't say blast off.
Engine start.
3, 2, 1.
That was amazing.
You see it? It sounds like fireworks now. Oh yeah, it sounds so good.
Woo! Oh, that's sick.
Oh my gosh! Whoa! That was awesome. That's like the best one yet. Now that we've safely launched the rocket, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is how engines work, because when an explosion happens, it's equally going to push itself off the launch pad, and that's pushing all the atoms up, and it's making the rocket go upwards. And that's how rockets work, because rockets have fuel and oxygen, and the fuel enters the combustion chamber, and the oxygen joins it, and then it lights up, it ignites, and then it makes an explosion, and it pushes the rocket upwards. And that is how rockets work. Thank you for coming to the video today. And I am delighted that you came here and tuned in to learn with me. See you next time, and let's geek out. I love rockets. Okay. I love rockets, okay?
So this praying mantis thought it'd be fun to join us in this recording. So we just welcomed him with warm arms because he knows more about science than our average human.
Hey,
It was
it's
fun
Beckham,
recording because a praying mantis
recently
jumped up
got
and
this
just
rocket
wanted to
from
hang out with
Estes, and
us.
I love rockets.
Thank you so much for
I
watching.
got rockets, and I'm gonna launch them.
Please like and
and
subscribe.
I'm
Because
gonna teach you
subscribing
how
Because I love rockets.
I'm the guy.
I'm the guy for what?
I'm the guy for that.
Three, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!